The incredible, professional quality videos we just watched were all created using nothing but the power of artificial intelligence. Today, I'm thrilled to share an amazing discovery with you, a website that provides a pathway to access Sora2. This tool is a complete game changer. You can use it to effortlessly generate a massive library of high-quality, engaging videos, upload them directly to platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, and establish a consistent income stream. Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome back to the Desire channel. Before we dive into the magic, please hit that like button to support the video, and make sure you stay with me until the very end, because you won't want to miss a single step. This is the sleek and professional homepage of the website. As always, for your convenience, I have placed the direct link to this platform right down in the description box below. To begin our video generation journey, we need to locate and click on the login option, found neatly in the top right-hand corner. This registration/login panel will then appear on your screen. You have the flexibility to sign up quickly using your existing Gmail account or by providing any other personal email address. Simply click on the Sign Up button right here. Here's a vital tip for serious creators: if you manage multiple email addresses, you effectively increase your chances of generating a larger volume of daily videos, maximizing your content output. For simplicity and speed, I will be logging in using my primary Gmail account, as I typically do. Once we have successfully logged in with our Gmail account, we are taken straight to the core of the platform. This central area is where the magic happens. It's where you input your text description, or prompt. Notice that the platform currently offers us a choice between two powerful video generation models, Sora2 and Sora2 Pro. You can select the one that best suits your needs. Below the prompt input box, you'll find essential settings to fine-tune your creation. You can precisely control the resolution, for instance, setting it for mobile or desktop viewing, the aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels, and the maximum video duration you desire. To start, I need a creative and detailed prompt. Instead of spending time thinking one up, I'm going to leverage another fantastic AI tool, ChatGPT. I'll open a new tab, head over to Google, and search for the phrase, ChatGPT. I click on the official ChatGPT website and enter the chat environment. In the input field, I write a specific, descriptive request to get a compelling scene. Give me a video prompt. A surveillance camera in a house shows a cat and a dog ringing the doorbell and running away in panic when the owner screams. I press the Generate button and wait a few moments for ChatGPT to craft our perfect prompt. Once the text is generated, I carefully copy the entire prompt and switch back to the SoraAI website. I now paste my freshly copied prompt into the designated area. I'm going to set the aspect ratio to the standard 16:9 and the duration to 10 seconds, which is often perfect for a punchy, short clip. Finally, I click the main Creating button. Now, we wait patiently. The process usually takes a short time, anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes for the AI to process the request and render the high-fidelity video. Our first video is complete. Wow, look at that. That is genuinely very well rendered, detailed, and utterly hilarious. Think about the potential here. I'm sure you've noticed how many similar, short, funny clips go viral on Instagram and TikTok. You can now effortlessly create an endless stream of original, high-quality content like this using nothing more than this single website. Let's try something completely different. I'm heading back to ChatGPT for a more dynamic, action-oriented scene. I'll type this request. Give me a video prompt, a first-person POV of a person riding a water slide and jumping from a very high height, surrounded by an electric mountain. I click on the Generate option and wait for the new prompt to be ready. I copy it, return to the SoraAI tool, paste it in, and select the Creating button using the same optimal settings. The video is ready. Let's watch. That is incredibly immersive. The first-person perspective combined with the Unreal environment truly conveys a feeling of intense, realistic adrenaline. Demonstrating the image-to-video feature. Now, let's explore another powerful feature, the image-to-video capability. This allows us to animate a static image. I click on the dedicated section for image-to-video and upload a photo I want to bring to life. After the upload is complete, I return to ChatGPT one last time to create a prompt that describes the motion I want to see in the image. I write, "Give me an image-to-video prompt." A giant whale jumps out of the water and the man is looking at it with great surprise. I click on Generate and wait for the final prompt. I copy it, switch back to the site, and paste it into the prompt box. I'll use the same optimal settings, 16:9 for compatibility and 10 seconds for the clip length, and click Generate. Let's take a look at our final video. Pause for video playback. Well, my dear friends, I am truly delighted that you stayed with me throughout this entire tutorial. I sincerely hope you enjoyed seeing the incredible potential of SoraAI and that you feel empowered to start creating your own amazing videos. Don't forget to show your support by clicking that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more cutting-edge AI content. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.